Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1973 to discover the chili Copita. What is that? You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you. So obviously we've got the blender action today and we are making a cocktail. One cocktail called the chili Copita. What is that? Oh, it's fabulous. It's actually the official drink of the International Connoisseurs of Green and Red Chilies. What is that? They were founded in 1973 in New Mexico just to promote the enjoyment of chili peppers. How can you not love that? They were taken over in 1989 by the Las Cruces, New Mexico Visitors Board, and I haven't heard from them. I can't find any reference to them, which is sad because you got to promote the loving of chili peppers. But some of their members back in 73 and on were Bob Hope, Ronald Reagan, Lawrence Welk, Vicky Carr, Hubert Humphrey, and Jose Feliciano. You are in very good company, my friends. So this is a take on a Bloody Mary, but it's very, very retro, as you'll soon find out. So into our blender, no ice. Into our blender goes 2 shots, count them 2, of tequila. 1 and 2. Whoops, sorry about that. And by the way, these are my favorite shot glasses. If you're interested in getting a little retro in your bar, the link is right down in the description. Now to that, we are going to add 6 ounces of Bloody Mary mix, your favorite. The original recipe said either Bloody Mary mix or Snappy Tom. Now, Snappy Tom was a very chili tomato little base drink that they don't make anymore. So sad, but Bloody Mary mix will do. And by the way, this glorious recipe comes to us right from the Chili Lovers Cookbook. Now, this book is from 1981, but the society started in 73. So we're gonna go with 73. And last but not least, I promised you retro, you need to add 1 canned whole chili pepper right from the can. You know those guys, just the ones that are like whole grain chilies. Yep, that's what you want, right in there. And now we're just gonna put on the lid and we're gonna blend it up. That's it. Off we go and bring in a beautiful glass. Actually, let me get this blender out of the way. I'll be right back. Okay, you can't have a blender in the way when you're highlighting a gorgeous glass. So this is it, my friends. Just a very, very quick, simple cocktail. Straight out of the 70s. You want to add some ice? Add some ice. And this, my friends, once again, the official drink of the International Connoisseurs of Green and Red Chilies, founded in 1973, the chili Copita. It's so good. It's a little twist on a Bloody Mary with a very retro canned chili twist. You gotta try it. As a matter of fact, I will right now. Absolutely perfect. The tequila. I know nowadays if you put tequila in a Bloody Mary, it's called Bloody Maria. I know that. Bloody Marias didn't happen in the 70s. Chili Copita. Try it. Share the history with your friends. Thanks for stopping by. It's always such an honor to have you join me. Enjoy drinking the past, and I will see you in the next video.